You ever wonder why banks suddenly denied you, even with a 750 credit score? It's not always about your credit sometimes. It's about how much exposure they already have on you. In this video, I'll be breaking down exposure limits, how much total credit banks are willing to give you, and how you can use this to your advantage to get approved for more funding. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is London. I'm a small business owner just like you. However, a few years ago, I learned how to tap into over $250,000 of the bank's money with a brand new LLC. No fancy credentials, just smart strategies. And no, I'm not a financial advisor, but I've been where you are. And now I'm here to walk you through exactly what I did so you can do it too. So whether you're starting, growing, or scaling your business, this is the place to be. So let's dive into it. Now, what are exposure limits? Exposure limits are internal caps banks set on how much credit they're comfortable giving you all across your accounts, personal and business. That includes credit cards, lines of credit, and sometimes even loans under the same credit profile. If you already have a few cards with banks and you apply for another, you might get denied, not because of your credit, but because you hit their internal exposure limits. Super important. Are you tracking? With that being said, let me give you some real numbers based off experience and what I've seen helping clients. But before we dive in, let's make this a win-win situation. You guys know I'm all about that. Hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Not only does it support me in creating more content like this, but it also ensures you'll never miss out on tips that can help you improve and level up your credit game. With that being said, First Bank, American Express. On the personal side, $50,000 to $100,000. On the business side, up to $50,000. Now, that's not including charge cards. Chase often anywhere between $50,000 to $100,000 total exposure per person, $150,000 on the business side. Bank of America, $75,000 on the personal side, up to $100,000 on the business side with strong business investments. Capital One, lower limits, usually $30,000 total max. Navy Federal, up to $80,000 across all personal credit cards. These aren't rules, but they are patterns, right? And knowing these can help you move strategically and move smarter. So now the question becomes, how do one work around this? Number one, you want to apply across multiple banks instead of stacking cards at one. Number two, use your business EIN to separate yourself from your credit profile. Now, you can use multiple businesses with different EIN numbers to go to multiple banks. This means you can go with American Express using different businesses, different EINs to get multiple unsecured business credit cards. It's all about strategy. Next, build relationships with banks. I can't stress this enough, a game changer. Talk to the rep, get a business relationship manager, make daily deposit. Did you know you should be at least making 10 minimum deposits into your business checking account? If you haven't been following me right now, you should know by now, you're not in business until you have a business checking. So you want to make sure that you have a business checking account, but deposit money into those business checking account, a minimum of 10. That shows activity. Super game changer. In addition to that, banks like to see a bank rating number of a low 5. Banks want to see a minimum of $10,000 into your business checking account. Another thing you can do is ask to reallocate limits, right? Some banks will shift your limits to approve new cards. If you found this information helpful, drop a comment and let me know what banks you want me to break down next. And don't forget to subscribe for more real credit game strategies. Talk to you soon.